Where you share your voice with the world. Discover how to effortlessly create a time blog website on Wix. No coding skill required, just your creativity. Let's turn your ideas into a beautiful online presence today. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a blog website in Wix.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Wix.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Wix is an intuitive website builder perfect for creating your own blog with its drag and drop interface. You can easily customize your site without any coding skills. Choose from a wide range of professional templates to showcase your content. Whether you are sharing personal stories or expert insights, Wix helps you engage your audience effectively. Start your blogging journey with Wix and bring your ideas to life. So let's scroll down. Here we have here how to create a website for free. The first step, which is choose a platform, start creating, customize your website, optimize for search engines, and we have here publish website, and the last one, which is promote and drive traffic as well. So let's come back to the top. So you have just watched this video until the end and start following the steps, and for sure you will achieve your goal, which is creating a blog website in Wix.com. So to get started, you click over here and you will find this page. You have just to write your email address and you confirm the email, choose a password, confirm the password, and then you click over sign up and you will find this page, which is this one. So alright, right now we have just to click over create a new site. Once you do that, you will find this page, which is Wix. Here we have the question: what type of website do you want to create? So select if it's blog, common, soon, mindfulness blog, life blog, entertainment blog, technology blog, motivational blog, poetry blog, content blog, student blog, pair blog, and other blogs. So you select the one you want. Alright. Right now we have just to click over continue and you'll find a page, which is the dashboard here. So welcome to your dashboard. Here we have a various things. First of all, you have just to follow the steps to get started. So firstly, you have to update your blog type, as I did. Then connect your custom domain. You click over let's go and you have find your perfect domain and secure it in a few clicks. Then here we have write your first blog post, design your website, get found on Google as well. So then we have here other options like setup here, home, getting paid, payments, block, video library, apps, site and mobile app, inbox, customers and leads, marketing, analytics, and also we have here automation, settings, and we have CMS, and you get started by writing design site. So once you click over the design site, you'll find this page, which is this one. So here we have how would you like to design your website. You choose one of these choices. So first one, customize a template, browse thousands of designs, then pick one to customize. You click over pick a template and you get started. Then here we have here the second one, which is generate a design with EA, get a personalized site design in seconds. So click over the first one, then you'll find this page as you can see. So here you have templates. So first of all, you have just to search for the template that you want. So for example, if it's related for the business and services of your business, such as consultant and coaching, service and maintenance, advertising, marketing, technology and apps, real estate, finance and law, automotive and cars, farming and gardening, pets and animals. Then we have here the second one, which is health and wellness, beauty and hair, fashion and style, travel and tourism, restaurants and food. Then we have here one page, professional CV as well. Then we have here the second one, which is store. We have e-commerce here, creative also, photography, music, portfolio and CV, design, creative arts and video. Then here we have community, such as education, communities, events. Then we have the last one, which is blogs. Personal blog, food and travel, and we have it here, news and business, arts, fashion and beauty, sports, wellness and podcast. So select the one you want, and also we have other pages that show the same templates or different templates, I mean, as you can see. So for example, I will select this one, I will click over edit and I will find another page, which is this one. So this is the page of modification or the page of customizing. So firstly, you have just to go here into home. We have here about travel, eat, relax, videos, blog, search results, and we have here page like blog and posts. Then we have here manage pages. So I'll click on manage pages. I will delete all these pages, alright, and then I will add my page, and I will add, for example, 6 page. Then I will just modify it with all these things. We have the options that I will need, or I will use to modify it, or to add a page, or to create a site block. So then we have here the second option, which is blog page, such as blog and posts. Then here we have if we want to add elements. So for example, we have text here, such as temp text, titles, paragraphs, collapsible text, text mark, and text mask. Then here we have image, like you have upload and import, explore image such as free from Wix, free Wix illustration. Then you have logo, custom logo. Then here we have button, such as theme buttons, text and icon buttons, image buttons, document buttons, items buttons, and quick chat buttons also. Then here we have strip, classic, featured, about, services, contacts, welcome, testimonials, and theme. Then here we have decorative. Here we have themed lines, basic shapes, arrows, horizontal lines versus vertical lines. Then here we have box. You have also gallery, menu and answer, contact and forms, video and music, interactive list, embed code, social, payments. So you have just to select the one you want. For example, if I want to add something related to social, then you have your payments, CMS, blog, store, bookend, events, food and beverage, community, my design also. Then also here we have if we want to modify the color, such as color theme, text theme, page background, and page transition. Then we have here media, as you can see. You can upload your media here, photo studio, video maker. Then here we have the last one, which is CMS. Also we have zoom out, zoom in, we have redo, endo, as you can see. This is how it looks first. Then we have here also home, about, travel, each, relax, video. You can just choose the one you want. Then if you want to search, you click over here. Well, this is it. So Wix empowers you to create a captivating blog website with ease and creativity. Its user-friendly tools and diverse templates make it accessible for anyone, regardless of technical expertise. So by choosing Wix, you can focus on what truly matters, sharing your voice and connection with your audience. Start building your blog today and watch your ideas come to life. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video, and have a fantastic day ahead.